In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your WordPress dashboard from GoDaddy My Products without entering your WordPress login credentials. If your website is hosted with GoDaddy and you want a faster way to access the backend of your site, this method can save you time. Instead of going to the usual WordPress login page and manually entering a username and password, you can open the dashboard directly from your GoDaddy account. This is especially useful if you manage your site through GoDaddy hosting and want a more streamlined way to get into WordPress. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products page. This is the area where all of your services are listed, including domains, hosting plans, and website-related tools. Once you're on that page, take a moment to look through the available products until you find your hosting section. From there, scroll down until you see Managed WordPress. If your site is hosted under a different setup, you may instead see cPanel Hosting. The wording can vary depending on the type of hosting attached to your website, so just look for the section connected to the site you want to manage. This is an important step because the direct access option appears within the hosting product itself. After you've located the correct hosting section, find the button labeled Edit Site or WordPress Admin. Clicking either of these options will launch your WordPress dashboard directly. In other words, GoDaddy will pass you through to the admin area automatically, so you won't need to enter your separate WordPress credentials on the login screen. This can be very helpful if you've forgotten the exact web address for your WordPress login page, or if you simply want the quickest route into your dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, you can start managing your website as usual, whether that means editing pages, updating plugins, changing appearance settings, or publishing content. As a quick tip, make sure you're selecting the correct hosting product if you have more than one site in your account. That helps avoid opening the wrong dashboard by mistake. It's also a good idea to confirm that you're already logged into the right GoDaddy account before you begin, especially if you manage websites for different projects. That's all it takes to access WordPress directly through GoDaddy My Products in a simple and efficient way.